Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Winifred in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home that's block and stucco. It is offered at $824,244. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Winifred in the Villages, Florida. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home located on a golf course with a swimming pool. It is offered at $824,244. This home has a roof that was replaced in the year 2021, an HVAC system that was replaced in the year 2020, and a water heater that was replaced in the year 2022. The bond is paid. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. The back of this home faces north. This home is located on a quiet cul-de-sac. That is your cul-de-sac right there, friends. And this is panning to the other side. It is located on Arnold Palmer Golf Course. You can see it right between those two homes there. As I walk up to this home, it does have a brick paver driveway. It has a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage right there. This home does appear to be in very good condition. It is a block and stucco home. If you have any questions, please contact James Cooper at Realty Executives, and that is his contact information right there. As I walk up to the front of this home, you can see it has a beautiful entry door. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is the beautiful tile floors and the swimming pool. This home does have acoustic textured ceilings as well. Off to the right, you do see a guest quarters. You do see the tile floors continuing. Here you have a guest bedroom in the front of the home. Does have carpeting in it. Acoustic textured ceilings continuing. This home is in very good condition, very neutral colors. This bedroom does have raised panel bifold doors on the closet as well. And I will show you what that closet looks like. There's the closet with the organizer there. Here's another guest bedroom with carpeted floors in it. This home is located on the Laurel Valley 9 of the Arnold Palmer Legends Golf Course. There you can see there is a sand trap. This bedroom also has raised panel bifold doors on the closet right there. There is carpet in this room as well. This would be your linen closet for your guest bathroom. Tile floors continuing. Very wide linen closet. Here's your guest bathroom. Tile floors. Formica countertop. Wood cabinets. It does have a tub. The surround is tiled in that guest bathroom. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of the location. This home is located at 1887 Lancaster Lane here in the village of Winifred. List price $824,244. This home has a new roof, 2021, HVAC 2020, water heater in 2022, and no bond. I will turn the specification sheet over There are your room dimensions. The kitchen is 12 by 12. Living room is 15 by 18. As I exit this guest bathroom area, I will walk back into this large living, dining, and kitchen area. Very high ceilings, acoustic texture. Very nice architecture. It does have a solar tube in the ceiling right there. Off to the right, you do have a primary bedroom area. Very nice archway as well. Let's take a walk into the primary bedroom. This bedroom does have carpeted floors. That is a queen-size bed to give you perspective, friends. The primary bedroom is 13 feet by 18 feet. And you have a view of the golf course right here. Very tall ceilings. Very neutral paint on this home. This is very nice. That is your primary bathroom there as well. Tile floors. Off to the right, you do have a very large walk-in closet with wire rack shelves. This is a Lantana model home. Very nice, very high ceilings in this closet. There is your guest bathroom tile floors, wood cabinets, Formica countertops, very high ceiling. This is your shower right here. That shower is tile. Very neutral colors in that shower. That shower does have a seat. Very large shower, by the way. Here's the rest of that bathroom. Wood cabinets, 2 sinks. Very nice. This bathroom does have a separate commode space with a hinged door. That is your commode right there. It does have a window in it. Next, I will walk back out into that lanai area. I'll show you what that looks like. Awesome swimming pool. This swimming pool is awesome. The back of this home does face north. This is a very large bird cage. Very beautiful, entertaining area as well. And you can see the golfers on the Laurel Valley 9 of the Palmer Legends Golf Course. There's a better look at your roof. That was replaced in the year 2021. This home has an awesome water feature in that swimming pool area. Look at that. You can see this home is in very good condition, very well kept. Here's a better look at your lanai area here as well. I'll stand in this corner and show you what that looks like. Next, I will walk out into the yard. This is an oversized lot. And I will show you what this oversized lot looks like. That is your neighbors over there. This is the Laurel Valley 9 of the Palmer Legends Golf Course. This is your oversized lot right there. That's a better look at your roof line. And you even have an out of bounds marker right here. Large live oak tree with Spanish moss. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact James Cooper. That's his contact information right there. And I will leave his information in the description of the video. Let's go back in and take a look at this home. Here I am walking into the kitchen and dining area. You do see it has recessed lights. There is a solar tube in the kitchen as well. This kitchen has awesome granite countertops, stainless appliances. I will show you the pantry in this kitchen space. That is your pantry right there, friends. That granite countertop is awesome. It does have a natural gas stove as well. Very nice. I will turn around and show you that island area. That kitchen does have a 2-bowl stainless sink. There's a better look at your granite countertops there, friends. Off into the laundry area, you do have the tile floors continuing. It does have a sink in that laundry area. Wood cabinets, that's where your washer and dryer would go. Turning around, it does have an extra large laundry space. You could use that to fold your laundry or additional office. It does have Formica countertops. Next, I'll walk out into that garage. Here is the 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. That concrete floor looks freshly painted. This is awesome, very clean home. We are in the village of Winifred. It is a block and stucco home. Large corner lot with a swimming pool on a golf course. Very rare to find. There is your water heater. That was replaced in the year 2022, right there. There is your block wall, your golf cart garage. That door would have your mechanicals in it right there. Here we are going back into that home. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Give you a last panoramic view of this home. This is awesome. Excellent location. Very near shopping, very near Lake Sumter Landing. Probably a 7 or 8 minute golf cart ride to Lake Sumter. Probably a 10-minute golf cart ride to your shopping on County Road 466. The village of Winifred is a very desirable area here in the Villages. Next, I will walk outside. I will show you the front of this home again. The front of this home does face south. Brick paver walkway. Brick paver driveway. As always, if you have any questions, please contact James Cooper at Realty Executives. That's his contact information. He will help you. You can see this is a beautiful cul-de-sac. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. There you have it. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco Lantana model home with a swimming pool on a golf course. No bond. List price $824,244. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Winifred, in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home is offered at $824,244. Take care, everyone.